Termux versus UserLAnd. Which Android Linux tool is best? Choosing the right Android Linux tool can dramatically improve how you run Linux environments and command line workflows on mobile devices. Termux and UserLAnd are two popular solutions for running Linux on Android, but they take different approaches. Termux focuses on providing a lightweight, terminal-first experience with package management and direct command line access, while UserLAnd emphasizes ease of setup with full Linux distributions and a graphical interface option. This comparison breaks down how each tool works, so you can decide which one fits your needs best. Termux is an Android Linux tool that provides a lightweight terminal environment with access to a wide range of Linux packages. It allows users to run command line utilities, scripts, and servers directly on their Android devices without rooting. Termux is designed for users who are comfortable with the command line and want full control over their Linux environment on mobile. It supports package management through its own repository, giving you access to development tools, programming languages, and networking utilities. Termux is fast, efficient, and highly flexible, making it ideal for developers, sysadmins, and advanced users who want a portable Linux terminal experience. UserLAnd is an Android Linux tool that focuses on simplicity and accessibility, allowing users to run full Linux distributions on their devices with minimal setup. Unlike Termux, UserLAnd supports graphical interfaces for desktop-like experiences and makes it easy to install popular Linux distributions such as Ubuntu or Debian. It provides an intuitive setup process and integrates with VNC or X server apps to offer a complete Linux desktop experience on Android. UserLAnd is ideal for users who want a more traditional Linux environment with GUI capabilities and prefer a plug-and-play approach over command line configuration. Feature comparison. Termux and UserLAnd both provide ways to run Linux on Android devices, but they shine in different areas. Termux is perfect for users who want a lightweight, terminal-first experience with maximum control and flexibility. UserLAnd is better for those who want a full Linux distribution with graphical interface support and an easier setup process. Final thoughts. If you want a fast, lightweight, command line-focused Linux experience with extensive package options, Termux is the best choice. If you prefer a full Linux desktop environment on Android with GUI support and minimal configuration, UserLAnd is the better fit. The best Android Linux tool for you depends on your comfort with the command line and whether you want a lightweight terminal or a complete Linux desktop on your device.